Dear sir, this is with reference to the case number 247 oblique 2020, and the next date of hearing of this case was fixed for 28th June 2020. I would like to inform you that due to your not appearing in the case, as you had informed the court that due to some previous engagements you will not be able to appear before the honorable court. The court has taken a serious view and had decided that in case you will fail to appear on the date fixed for hearing, the case should be finalized ex parte and the outcome of the judgment shall be your own responsibility, and the court has allowed you to appeal against the judgment of the case. In case you are not satisfied with the judgment, you will have total 30 days in hand to appeal before the Honorable High Court, and the case shall be transferred to Allahabad. As you are well aware that there are so many pending cases, the court is unable to hold the case for such a long time. Here you are informed that please acknowledge receipt of this notice within reasonable time by speed post, registered AD, or through the courier. We hope that we will not fail to comply with the orders of the case, and if such is noticed by the Honorable Court, a case for contempt of court shall be proceeded without fail.